Have you ever paused to consider the digital vault holding your financial future? In today's interconnected world, where every click and swipe leaves a digital footprint, the security of your online investments is paramount. We entrust platforms with our hard-earned money and sensitive personal information, but how well are these platforms safeguarding it? Specifically, when it comes to a platform like M1 Finance, a popular choice for automated and self-directed investing, how robust are its data encryption and security measures? This isn't just about preventing hackers from stealing your money, though that's obviously a huge concern. It's about protecting your identity, your privacy, and the integrity of your financial data. Think about the sheer volume of personal information you share with a financial institution: your name, address, social security number, bank account details, investment history, and even your financial goals. This is a treasure trove for malicious actors, and the consequences of a data breach can be devastating, ranging from identity theft and fraudulent transactions to long-term financial insecurity. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and with it, the sophistication of cyber threats. From phishing scams designed to trick you into revealing your login credentials, to more advanced malware and ransomware attacks that can lock down entire systems, the dangers are real and ever-present. Financial institutions, by their very nature, are prime targets. They hold a concentration of valuable data, making them attractive to cybercriminals. This is why it's not enough for a platform to simply say it's secure. We need to delve deeper and understand the specific measures they have in place to protect our assets and our privacy. So, let's pull back the curtain on M1 Finance and explore the layers of protection they offer. We're going to dissect their approach to data encryption, delve into their overarching security measures, and ultimately help you understand if your financial future is truly safe in their hands. This isn't just about M1 Finance, it's about empowering you with the knowledge to critically assess the security posture of any financial platform you use or consider using. Your financial well-being depends on it. Now, let's get into the specifics, starting with the cornerstone of digital security, encryption. The power of encryption, M1 Finance's digital armor. When we talk about data encryption, imagine a secret code that scrambles your information, making it unreadable to anyone without the right key. M1 Finance understands this fundamental principle and employs robust encryption protocols to safeguard your data both when it's moving across the internet and when it's sitting on their servers. M1 Finance states that all data transferred and stored within their systems is protected with military-grade 4096-bit encryption. This is a significant detail. To put it in perspective, many common secure connections use 256-bit encryption, which is already considered highly secure. 4096-bit encryption, then, provides an even stronger layer of protection, making it exponentially more difficult for unauthorized parties to decipher your information. This 4096-bit encryption applies to your data in transit, meaning, as it travels from your device to M1 Finance's servers when you log in, make a trade, or update your information. This is typically achieved through technologies like Transport Layer Security, TLS, or its predecessor, Secure Sockets Layer, SSL. When you see a padlock icon in your browser's address bar and https:// at the beginning of the website address, that indicates a secure, encrypted connection. M1 Finance utilizes these protocols to ensure that any information you send them, from your login credentials to your investment instructions, is scrambled and protected from eavesdropping. Beyond data in transit, M1 Finance also encrypts data at rest. This refers to the data stored on their servers. This means that even if an unauthorized party were to gain access to their storage systems, the data itself would be encrypted and unreadable without the decryption key. This dual-layer approach to encryption, both in transit and at rest, is a critical component of a strong security framework. It's like having two locks on a door, each requiring a different, highly complex key. Furthermore, M1 Finance explicitly states that they do not store your bank credentials directly. Instead, when you connect your bank account, they are given a token or an electronic key to access your account. This is a common and highly secure practice in the financial technology industry. It means that M1 Finance never actually possesses your bank username and password, reducing the risk of your banking credentials being compromised if M1 Finance were ever to experience a breach. The token acts as a secure, limited-access pass, allowing them to perform necessary functions without holding the sensitive keys to your entire bank account. The commitment to strong encryption, especially the use of 4096-bit encryption for both data in transit and at rest, signals a serious dedication to data security on M1 Finance's part. It demonstrates an understanding of the need to protect sensitive financial information at every stage of its life cycle within their systems. Beyond encryption, M1 Finance's holistic security measures. While encryption forms the bedrock of data protection, a truly secure platform implements a comprehensive suite of security measures. M1 Finance goes beyond just encryption, employing a multifaceted approach to safeguard user accounts and information. One of the most crucial additional layers of security M1 Finance offers is two-factor authentication, 2FA, and multi-factor authentication, MFA. If you haven't already enabled 2FA on your M1 Finance account, you absolutely should. 2FA adds an extra hurdle for anyone trying to access your account, even if they somehow manage to get your password. Typically, this involves a second verification step, like a code sent to your mobile phone or generated by an authenticator app. M1 Finance offers this, and they even employ adaptive multi-factor authentication, AMFA, which means they may automatically send you a one-time passcode via email if certain criteria are met, adding an intelligent, context-aware layer of security. This is especially useful for detecting unusual login attempts or activity. Beyond technological safeguards, M1 Finance also emphasizes robust internal security practices. They restrict access to your personal and account information to only those employees who need to know the information to provide you with products and services. This principle of least privilege ensures that only authorized personnel with a legitimate business need can access sensitive data. They also conduct regular internal audits of their business practices and procedures to ensure the ongoing protection of your personal information. This proactive approach to security, including continuous monitoring and auditing, is vital in an environment where threats are constantly evolving. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.